Methylene Blue. Here's the number one thing, and I think concern. It came around in 1867 as a byproduct of coal. It is currently made mostly by pharmaceutical companies. Automatic like red flag going up here. There's two grades of it. There's the industrial grade, which is for fish tanks and cleaning stuff, dyeing things blue. And then there's the pharmaceutical grade, which I already don't like for obvious reasons. So make sure you're getting the pharmaceutical grade if you're going to use it. It's still a chemical, it's still a compound, it's still not a natural thing. So let's be very clear as I talk about potentially recommending methylene blue. It is a chemical you're putting in your body. So right away, I can't actually recommend it as something that I absolutely think is great. What it does, and how they figure this out, I don't really know, but what it does is actually helps the mitochondria of your cell function better. So imagine your cell is a little factory and there's all kinds of little processes that are going on in order to create the end product, which is energy. Well, a lot of you, especially if you eat crappy, don't exercise, you have all kinds of stuff going on with your health, your little pieces in your factory are going slower. Methylene blue helps to speed up those reactions, and so that you get more energy and you have more clean cellular function, right? So that's the biggest thing, just to try to make it really simple for you. So it does help with mental cognition, helps with different neurological diseases, preventing things like Alzheimer's, dementia, etc., helping you to have more energy, better metabolism, things like that. That's the reason why it's such a big, I'm going to call it a fad, right? Because I don't know what's going to happen a year from now, but that's the reason why it's a big deal right now. And anytime you want to talk about cancer, you've got to be talking about it at the cellular level. And so if something is helping the cell to function better, you're going to be less likely to have cancer. My question is, what do they talk about in regard to long-term studies which haven't been done as to how it's negatively affecting the body because it's a chemical from pharma? Going to dive into this and a lot more October 4th. If you haven't signed up for the seminar, tickets are normally $40. I think you get a lot for that. But if you're watching online and you're in the Boise, Treasure Valley area, I got a free ticket for you. Click the link wherever it's at. I'll see you at the 4th.